Sai Ram to all. The new chapter, Algebraic Expressions and Identities. I'll write some examples. 2, root 5, then 8, 6. Another pair of examples, x, y, z. There is any difference between these pair of examples and these pair of examples? There is any difference? Yes, we already learnt about this. 2, root 5, 8, 6, they are called constants. They are called constants. So, these are example for constants. What do you mean by constant? A constant means it is a symbol which has fixed value. 2, what is the value of 2? It is always 2. Root 5 means it is root 5, 8, 6. So, it has a fixed value. Constant means it has fixed value. The symbol which has fixed value means it is a constant. Next, x, y, z. They are called variable. They are example for variables. What is the difference between this constant and variable? Constant means they have a fixed value, but variable means they does not have any fixed value. The symbol which does not have any fixed value means that is variable. So, this is the difference between constant and variable. Now, another thing is term. 2 also a term, root 5 also a term, 8 also a term, 6, x, y, z. These all are called terms. Not only 2 root 5, yes, 2 also a term, 8 also a term, then x also a term, y also a term, z also a term. Not only 2, 8, x terms, other examples, 2x also a term, 3xyz, it is also a term. Now tell me, what do you mean by term? 2 means constant, 8 means constant, x means variable, 2x means is a combination of constant and variable. 3xyz, it is also a combination of variable. So, these all are terms. Now tell me, what is the definition of term? Every constant or any number also a term. Here x, the variable x, y, z, a, b, c, d, all are terms. It means all variables also a term. Not only constant, variable, with also the combination of variable and constant also a term. So, these are example for term. Constant also a term, variable also a term, then combination of constant and variable, it is also a term. From this example, we conclude a term is a constant or a number. Not only a number, it is also a variable or a combination of number and variables is called term. So, what do you mean by term? Term is a constant or a variable or combination of constant and variable is named as terms. So, 2 is a term, 8 is a term, x is a term, 2x is another term, 3xyz also a terms. These are example for terms. Now, this 2, 8, x, 2x, 3xyz, it is also called algebraic expression. These are also called algebraic expression. Yes, algebraic expression. What do you mean by algebraic expression? 2 means a constant, 8 means a variable, x means it's a variable, 2 is a constant, 8 is a constant, x is a variable, 2x is a combination of constant and variable. It is also a algebraic expression. So, algebraic expression. Then the terms, all terms are algebraic expression? Yes, all terms are algebraic expression, but all algebraic expressions are not term. It is a combination of term. Why? Because, one example, 2 is a term, 2x is a term, not only a 2, 2x, this is also a algebraic expression, 2 plus 3y, it is a algebraic expression. Then another example, 2x plus 3y, it is also a algebraic expression. Or x plus y plus z, it is also a algebraic expression. Now tell me, what do you mean by algebraic expression? A single term or combination of two or more terms connected by additive and multiplicative symbol form an algebraic expression. Very simple. What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression means the single term, it is also a algebraic expression. Not only a single term, it's a combination of terms. Not only a single term, combination of two or more terms with the multiplicative and additive sign, which also referred as algebraic expression. So algebraic expression, what do you mean by algebraic expression? A single term or a combination of two or more terms connected by additive and multiplicative symbol form an algebraic expression. So these are algebraic expression. Now look at the example, 4xy. Now this 4xy is a term. It is also named as algebraic expression. In that, tell me, which one is the numeric exponent? Which one is called numeric exponent or numeric coefficient? Sorry. In 4xy, which one is called numeric coefficient? Which one is the numeric? Numeric means number. Which one is the number here? 4xy. 4 is a constant, x is a variable, y is also a variable. So which one is called numeric coefficient? Numeric means number. So x and y, these are variable. In 4xy, 4 is called numeric coefficient, or it is simply we say it is a coefficient. Now in 4xy, what is the factors of 4? Tell me the factors of 4. Which are the factors of 4? In 4xy, x and y, these are called factors of 4. 4 is multiplied to x, then it is multiplied to y, then we get 4xy. So which are the factors of xy? 4 is called factors of 4 is a factor of xy, or xy is a factor of 4. Then what is the factor of 4x? Y is the factor of 4x. So 4xy, in that y is the factor of 4x, or 4x means, what is the factor of 4x? The y is the factor of 4x. Then if you take xy, what is the factor of xy? 4 is factor of xy. What is the meaning factor? It's a product. It means 4 into xy. What do we get? 4xy. So 4 and xy, these are the factors. So 4 is a factor of xy, or xy is a factor of 4. It is the product of 4 into xy equal to 4xy. Look at the example, 3x squared. This is one example. Another example, 4y. Then 3z cube. They are terms or algebraic expressions. Now I will give another name for this. 3x squared is a monomial, 4y is a monomial, 3z cube is a monomial. Why they are called monomial? What is the reason? It is an expression, it is a term. Then it is also called monomial. Why it is called monomial? Monomial because the expression which contains only one term, it contains single term, means it is a monomial. So 3x squared is a monomial, 4y also a monomial, 3z cube, it is also a monomial. So what is monomial? Monomial means the expression which contains single term. Which contains single term means it is a monomial. Very simple. What do you mean by monomial? Monomial means a expression which contains single term. Single term, then it is called monomial. I will write another example. 3x squared plus 2x, 4y plus z, 3z cube minus y is a monomial. 3x squared plus 2x, 4y plus z, 3z cube minus y are example for monomial. What is the condition for monomial? A expression which contains single term, then it is called monomial. Now look at the examples. 3x squared plus 2x. How many terms? This is the first term, this is the second term. The plus or minus symbol which divide the terms. So here it is a plus. So 3x squared is a term, 2x another term. So one term, two terms. How many terms are there? Two terms. So it is called binomial. It is called binomial. In second example, 4y plus z. Here is a plus symbol. So this is a one term, this is a second term. How many terms? So totally two terms. Expression which contains two terms means it is a binomial. Now is it example for monomial or binomial? It is also a binomial because minus symbol. Here it is a term, another term. How many terms? Two terms. So it is also example for binomial. So expression which contains two terms means it is a binomial. One example, tell me, 3x into 2y is example for binomial? No. Because in between there is a multiplication symbol. It's a product. If we find the product 6xy and now it becomes single term. So it is a single term. So this is example for monomial. Another example, 3x squared plus 2x plus z. 2y plus z plus 2 is example for monomial or binomial. How many terms are present in this expression? It contains 1, 2, 3, the plus. In between the terms there is a plus sign. So one term, two term, three term. How many terms? Three terms. So expression which contains three terms, therefore it is called trinomial. It is called trinomial. This is example for trinomial. This example is example for trinomial? Yeah, because 2y, z, 2, how many terms? 1, 2, 3. So 3 terms. So expression which contains 3 terms, therefore it is trinomial. If I write 2x into y into z, is example for trinomial? No, because in between the term, in between the expression there is a multiplication symbol. So it is not a trinomial because the product is 2xyz. It is a single term. It is an example for monomial. So monomial, binomial and trinomial. The expression which contains 3 terms means it is a trinomial. And another thing, we say that it is a polynomial. This is also a polynomial, this is also a polynomial. Why? The polynomial means, in general, an expression containing one or more terms with non-zero coefficient is called polynomials. These all are example for polynomial. In general, we say it is a polynomial. Next concept is like term and unlike term. This is a very important concept, the difference between like terms and unlike terms. Look at the examples, 7x, 14x, minus 13x. These groups are called like terms, or these are example for like terms or unlike terms. How we differentiate 7x, 14x, minus 13x? Look at the variables. Which are the variable present in this? X is a variable in the first term, in second term it is x, in this also x is a variable. Not only variable, what is the exponent of the variable? Exponent means the power. Here x cube means what is the exponent of x? It is 3, or power is 3. In the same way, x means what is the exponent? X to the power 1. It is x to the power 1. So exponent is 1 or power is 1. So x to the power 1, x to the power 1, x to the power 1. So these are like terms. These are example for like terms. So we say 7x, 14x, minus 13x, they are like terms. What is the condition? The terms, they have the same variable with same exponent, equal exponent. So they are called like terms. One question arises, 7, 14, minus 13x, numerical coefficient is different. No problem. The like terms which requires only the variable and exponents. They have same variable and the exponents are equal. Therefore, they are a group of like terms. So look at the second example. 5x squared and minus 9x squared. Example for like terms? Yes, it is also a like term. Why? X is a variable in this term. X is a variable in another term. So x variable is same. What about its exponents? Exponent is 2. The power is 2. So it is also a like term. Look at the third example. 7xy and minus 5yx. xy and yx. Both are same or different? If we multiply 2 into 3, what we get? It is also a 6. Now 2 into 3, x into y, 2 into 3, x, 6. Now 3 into 2, what do we get? It is also 6. So x into y or y into x, the product is same. Therefore, xy and yx, the product is same. Therefore, it is also a like term. Now tell me, what do you mean by like term? A term which contains same variable with the same exponents is called like terms. Same variable with same exponents is called like term. Now look at the unlike terms. Example for unlike term. Why it is unlike term? First example, 7x and 7y. These are the terms. 7x is a term, 7y is another term. Here it is, x is a variable. Here it is, y is the another variable. They have the same variable, these two terms? No, the variable is different. Therefore, it is unlike term. Second example, 7x and 7xy. Here is x is variable, here it is xy is the variable. Therefore, it is also a unlike term. Now, another third example, 7x and 5x squared. X is the variable, x is the variable. But what is the problem? Here is the exponent is 1, here it is exponent is 2. The power is different, exponent is different. Therefore, it is not a unlike term. What do you mean by unlike term? Unlike term means terms having the same variable with the different exponents, or different variable with same or different exponents are called unlike terms. This is the difference between like and unlike term. Related to this topic, some of the simple problems are given in the textbook. First example, add 7x squared minus 4x plus 5 and 9x minus 10. This is an important one and very simple one. How to add these two expressions? This is the algebraic expression, this is also an algebraic expression. Add these two algebraic expressions. First write the algebraic expression. First expression is 7x squared minus 4x plus 5. Write as it is. What is given in the question? 7x squared minus 4x plus 5. And 9x minus 10. Add these two expressions. Add means addition. This is the addition sign. So add plus. Second expression is 9x minus 10. So first step is very simple. First write the first expression. After that, in and, don't write and, because add these two expressions. So add the sign plus. Then second expression is 9x minus 10. So write 9x minus 10. 7x squared, then minus 4x plus 5 plus 9x minus 10. Now group the like terms. First group the like terms. We know that. What do you mean by like terms? Like terms means they contain same variable with same exponent, same power. They are like terms. Just group the like terms. Minus 4x and plus 9x. These are like terms. Correct? Because x is a variable, exponent are same. Then plus 5 and minus 10, these are the group of like terms, because they are the only numbers, they are only the constants. So they comes under the same group. Now write the first term 7x squared. After that, minus 4x and 9x, these are the like terms. So write together minus 4x plus 9x. After that, another group of like terms is plus 5 and minus 10. 7x squared, write as it is, minus 4x and plus 9x. X, it means you have a pen. 4 pence, minus 4 pence and plus 9 pence. Minus 4 and plus 9. The loan amount you have is minus 4. It means loan amount is 4 rupees. Someone given 9 rupees to you. So, you have any amount in your pocket? 4 rupees is loan amount. 9 rupees given to you. So, what is the amount you have? 4 rupees loan amount. So, someone given 9 rupees. You have to give 4 rupees to that person. Then 5 rupees you have in the pocket. So, you have the money. So, that is plus. How many rupees you have? That is 5 rupees. Then x, it is not x square. If pen is added to pen, it is not pen square. It is always pen. That is x. Plus 5 and minus 10. What do we get? Plus 5 and minus 10. You have 5 rupees in your pocket. You have to give someone to 10 rupees. How to give? You have only 5 rupees. You have to give 10 rupees to another person. How you give the money? You have to loan 5 rupees. That is, loan amount is 5. So, what is the answer? 7x squared plus 5x minus 5 is the answer for the following question. This is the one method. Another method is method 2 for adding two algebraic expression. It is, first write the first algebraic expression, 7x squared minus 4x plus 5. Then add these 9x minus 10. 9x is a like terms with the minus 4x. So, where you have to write the 9x? Below the like term, that is 4x. So, write minus 9x below 4x. It is 9x. Why you have to write together? Because it is a like terms. X, the variable is same. 9x. Then minus 10, where you have to write? Can I write here? No, because they are not like terms. Where is the like term to this? Plus 5 is a like term. So, below the plus 5, write minus 10. Now add this. 7x squared plus 0. There is no terms. So what is the meaning? 7x squared plus 0 equal to 7x squared. Now minus 4x plus 9x. What do we get? Minus 5x. Plus 5x. Plus 5 and minus 10. What do we get? Minus 5. So this is the answer for this question. These are the two methods. Answer is same, but these are the different methods. Now, some of the problems given in the textbook, I will send that questions in WhatsApp. Sai Ram.